So we have no way to get back in the house.
Alright guys, so we're riding in my son's car right now, so we're gonna take a ride around the block with the kids and stuff, so let's go. Here we go.
This radio is really cool. Show the colors of the radio.
Nice.
Speed Racer.
Oh, it's a little bit dark, but
It is kind of dark.
easier. We need some light.
Oh, look, my
You just
speedometer.
go around the block. So
Nice.
can you
Don't
turn that
distract
on?
him. He is
There we go.
driving.
This is as long as we can see stuff, so. Zoe, say hi.
Hi, 100 and something
Nice.
subscribers.
Melanie is Melanie. And there's Dylan in his new car. Isn't that
Okay, you
cool?
can turn the light off. It's dangerous.
Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
it's
watch the
dangerous.
speed limit, dude.
I
Turn the
am
light
watching
out.
the speed limit.
Well, I got a videotape, so.
Steve, he cannot have the car light on and drive.
So anyway, we're gonna drive around the block and I'll talk to you guys later.